Welcome to your flower safari!
Whoa! Those flowers sound like a bunch of wild animals.
These are safari flowers. And the best part is, if we put them in just the right order, they sing us a flower safari song. Get ready to listen. The first flower we're looking for sounds like this.
Which flowers make the sound we need?
Zip, zee!
A tiger blossom. What's the next flower, Kitty Fairy?
The next flower sounds like this.
Which flowers make that sound?
Zip, zee!
An elephant flower.
The next flower sounds like this.
Which one makes that sound?
Zip, zee!
Hello, little monkey flower.
And last but not least, a zebra zinnia!
We did it!
Now let's hear that song.
Don't you just love safaris? You always see something amusing.
Hey, I have a wild idea. What if you had a safari party?
Ooh. I like the sound of that.
Great! Let me just give Cat Rat another call.
Ahoy there, Pandy.
Hey, Cat Rat. Listen, we've got one more teeny tiny change for you.
What now?
How do you feel about a safari party?
A safari party? Well, if it makes Gabby happy, then a safari party it is.
Thanks, Cat Rat.
Here we go again. Oh, party tail! Hey! This safari theme really brings the whole room together, don't you think?